probably the most toughest scrubbing attachment any handheld scrubber has on the market, and it's a really strong one. As you can see, I can barely bend the bristles. So I've let this corner of my bathroom just build up for some time. That's it. Let's just a few seconds. And I have no idea what this silver plate is doing as the base for this plant here, but as you can see, it's like, it seems like it's beyond repair. And there you go. I think with this guy, the advantages are that it's just so abrasive. Well, can you see that? Another problem I have trouble with is paint and Skadu. Three things. One, I hope you like the use cases. Two, if you want to see more use cases for the stainless steel scrubber, let me know and I will give it a go. And three, this is going to be launched next month at the Skadu anniversary sale. Apart from all of this, we have a contest going on right now, so go check it out. Spend 5 minutes for the brand that you helped bring to life, right? And anybody who completes the first step is guaranteed to win something from us. So I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you like the stainless steel scrub head and you're excited for it. And please let us know in the comments, what you think. Bye, guys.